What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So if you haven't seen my last video, I talked about the 16.5 billion that has been burned through the burn portal in the last like three-ish days, right? And it's crazy to see that much that has been burned. And my last video, I talked about if it was sustainable and where we can see the growth from. But in this video, I wanted to talk about why we're seeing Shiba Inu fall even though we're seeing these burns. Is it really making a difference, or can burns make a difference? And I've seen some frustrated people that are like, burns are not going to make a difference. We've burned 16 billion and it's not going to do anything. People need to understand what 16 billion means compared to the total supply. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to check out the Shiba Inu Discord group, definitely check that out because, we have a lot of people over there that are always talking about Shiba Inu, talking about the burn portal, talking about Shiba lands, giving out announcements. We have tweets that come through to see how much has been burned. We have a lot of information over there, and if you guys want that information, feel free to go and join it. It's absolutely free. But we're here to talk about Shiba Inu. We need to talk about what's going on right now, because in the market in general, the market is not really going our way. But people thought that Shiba Inu would go our way because of the amount that has been burning, the amount of news that has come out. People thought that Shiba Inu would go in a positive direction. Understand that Shiba Inu follows the market as well because it is heavily traded by big money and institutions, because it is the most popular crypto coin out there. Literally the most searched for crypto coin, the most popular crypto coin in 2021, and that continued to 2022. It was already voted as the top crypto coin, and I don't know how that takes place in 2022, but I know that so many people are searching for it, way more than Bitcoin, Ethereum, any other coin that's out there. No offense to anybody that's holding any of those coins. Those are still very, very popular coins, and also very legit coins. But Shiba Inu is the most popular and will be the most popular for quite some time. So why is Shiba Inu dropping so much? As you see it on the screen, CoinMarketCap shows that it's down 8% over the last 24 hours. It's down to 2298, and that's after hitting a high here where it resisted at the 2500 mark. Resisting at 2500 and falling all the way down to 2300 or high 2200s, one, creates a buy opportunity. I know there's a lot of people that are like, I'm buying more right now because this is well below my cost basis, and I know that things are going to start to take off. And this would be a good time to buy. If you had a burn coming up, this would be a perfect time to buy. If you wanted to buy more for your portfolio, this would absolutely be a perfect time to buy. So when we scroll down here, we start to look at the market cap. The market cap is sitting at about 12.6 billion. We also see the volume is down by 31%. Which is crazy to say because we've seen over the last 24 hours it was about 1 billion volume, and then seeing with Robinhood that's included in it and seeing all the different platforms that you can trade it on, I would expect it to stay within that 1 billion mark, but we're not seeing as much volume go through there. If we look at the chart, we can see that this looks nothing but bearish. If we break this fully down, you see that decreased consolidation. It's not really creating like higher highs and higher lows. It's more or less, creating, lower lows and after consolidating a bit. Which is not really the best sign. Consolidation is usually always a good thing. Usually always is not the right way to say that, but it's usually a good thing, consolidation. And I'm pretty excited whenever I see consolidation because I always expect a massive increase. But we've seen that slight increase, and the entire market came back down. Now, in my next video, I'm going to talk about the entire market and why it's really following the stock market and all of that stuff and breaking that stuff down. If you guys want to check that out. I don't know when I'll post that video. I might post it before or I might post it after, but we'll definitely see. I know that has a lot of now scenarios, so I'm going to have to do that. And then Shiba Inu has a lot of now scenarios, so I'm probably going to have to do that right after. So you'll probably see that posted already, and then this one come up as well. So let's look at the 1 hour chart just to see where things are at. We've seen resistances up in this level, of 30 or 3,000, multiple times, resisted from 3,000, falling all the way down to some of these levels. We expected really a bounce. I don't expect it to go lower than 2,200, but it all depends on what happens in the entire market. If the entire market really starts to pull back like heavily, then we have a major issue, and Shiba Inu can definitely fall back down, because that involves millions and billions of dollars that's being negatively traded through the markets, because if institutions are doing what they've been doing in the stock market into the crypto market, that's exactly what you are going to see, and it's not really good. Let's go ahead and check out the contract and see if we lost any holders. So it looks like we have gained holders, even though it has decreased by about 8% as a whole for the price. I know that people are looking at these numbers of the amount of the burn wallet, and they're like, hey, how come we're not seeing massive increases, because we are burning off so much. Understand that just because we are burning off coins, it does not mean that it's going to have a massive impact, right? Burning off coins, especially how slow we're doing it, can have a slow effect to the ceiling. It's not to the price, to the ceiling, basically saying where we can get to at the ultimate ceiling, whatever our goal is. So say if we have a certain amount of coins, we have 100 coins, in order to get to, or let's say 100 billion coins, in order to get to $100 billion market cap, it would be $1, right? Let's say we now decrease that to 90 billion coins, right? Well, now at $100 billion market cap, that's now a higher price. So you're increasing the price floor rather than increasing the actual price. The only way you increase the actual price is by having demand stay the same. So if demand is very positive, where people are buying the hell out of it, then yes, you're going to see the price increase with it. But if people are selling it, you're not going to see the price increase with it. So that's why we're not seeing, Shiba Inu make these positive moves that everybody's thinking it should be making, because, you're seeing 16.4, 16.5 that's burning off, but it's not making a huge effect. Understand that that is a drop in the bucket compared to what we have for the total supply. If you look at how many billions make up a trillion, you have 1,000 billions that make up a trillion. We don't even hit 20 billion in this 1 trillion scenario, right? So we need to burn off 5 trillion, 5.9 trillion, or 6 trillion basically, in order to make an impact of 1% to the ceiling price. So we're not making that much of an impact. We're making a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a percentage in order to increase that price or increase that ceiling. So ultimately, we need to have patience. People are so hell-bent on having this absolutely skyrocket, and I don't want to see that, right? I don't want to see it skyrocket, because the faster it goes up, the faster it decreases. That's not what we want. We want sustainability, and we want Shiba Inu to be something of a major player within this game, right? Within the metaverse, within just trading crypto. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. And if you guys want to join the Shiba Inu Discord group, hit that link down below. It's the first link in the description. But I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.